Hi, I'm Bill Wieringa, estate planning and elder law attorney practicing in Southwest Michigan. In my elder law practice, I'm sometimes asked advice about communicating with older adults. Well, I have a few tips that could help you if you're in that situation. Whether it's a parent or an aging aunt or uncle or neighbor or just an acquaintance, some people find it difficult to understand or to be understood by seniors. You see, older people can get frustrated and they can give up when communication is difficult. Things that make communication difficult for them are things like others who speak too fast or use complex or complicated sentences. Also, voices that are not loud enough or the demand for an immediate decision by them. You see, seniors need more time to process information and they do it best in bite-sized pieces. So here's a few tips to help you communicate with a senior in your life and produce a more satisfactory result. Number one, use an appropriate volume. Now that doesn't mean that you shout at people just because they're a little older. Rather, evaluate the environment and speak loudly enough so that they can be heard. This is especially important in environments like restaurants where there's background noise. Number two, speak clearly and articulate. Use short, simple sentences and please, just one idea at a time. Number three, make eye contact with a senior. Make sure that you're facing them so that they can see your mouth. This helps with people who are beginning to lose their hearing. Number four, ask direct questions. Things like, did you eat lunch? Did you have soup? Don't ask, what did you have for lunch today? You see, yes or no questions are usually better because they're easier to handle. Number five, be patient and smile. Pause, take your time, and wait for the answer to come. Don't get impatient. Finally, number six, when you're asking for a decision from the senior, don't expect and please don't require an answer right away. You may even have to come back and revisit the topic at a later time. But just remember who it is that you're talking to and what their limitations are. So be kind, afford them the honor and the dignity that they deserve. You're going to have a lot better chance of communicating well with your senior. If you have any estate planning or elder law concerns, why not give me a call at 1-855-SEEBILL. That's 855-SEEBILL. All my consultations are free and there's no obligation, so give me a call today so we can schedule a meeting and you can get your questions answered.